Do you feel scared when the waiter looks at you?
Don't worry. Today we are going to a restaurant and we will show you exactly what to say.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy Bites podcast. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Max. Hi, Chloe. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, Max. But wait, are you okay? You look a bit strange.
To be honest, Chloe, I am hungry. I am very, very hungry.
Again? We just started.
I know, but I'm thinking about food. Lots of food. A big hamburger, fries, and a cold soda. Delicious.
Well, Max, you are making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but it is a perfect idea for our podcast today.
You're right. Today we are going to a restaurant. We will show our friends how to speak English and have fun while eating.
It's a great way to practice. But before we open the door to the restaurant, a quick reminder.
Yes, we're so proud of you for being here today. Taking time to learn is a big step for yourself.
If you are hungry for more English, click the subscribe button.
And the like button, especially if you love hamburgers like Max. It helps our small channel grow together.
Okay, Chloe, I'm ready. I am at the door of the restaurant. I can smell the pizza. What do I do? What do I say?
Good question, Max. You open the door, you go in, and you see a person. This is the host or the waiter.
Do I need to say something very difficult?
No, keep it simple. Just smile and say hello or hi.
Hello? Hi? Simple. I can do that.
Exactly. Then you need a table. You can say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. If it is me and you.
A table for one, please.
A table for one, please.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
A table for four, please.
A table for four, please.
A table for... and then the number of people.
A table for... and the number of people. Simple.
Exactly. And the waiter will smile and say, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And I follow them to my table. I'm sitting down. Now, where is the food?
Slow down, Max. First, you need the menu.
Ah, yes, the menu. To see the food and choose my hamburger.
Sometimes the waiter gives you the menu immediately, but if they forget, you can ask for it.
How do I ask politely? I don't want to sound like a robot.
Can I have the menu, please?
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 Perfect. Remember, please is a magic word in a restaurant. It makes everyone friendly.
Okay, I have the menu. I open it. But Chloe, there are so many words. What is a starter?
Starters are the small dishes you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
I like soup. Tomato soup is a classic.
Me too. Then you see the main courses.
The main course. That is the big food, right? The principal dish?
Exactly. Chicken, fish, pasta, or your famous hamburger.
My favorite part of the menu. But wait, what is dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Chocolate cake? That is my favorite choice every time.
And finally, drinks. Water, juice, coffee, or soda.
Perfect. I know the map of the menu now. Starters first, then main course, then dessert, and drinks.
So you are looking at the menu. The waiter comes back with a small notebook.
Oh, I feel the pressure now. My heart is beating fast.
Don't worry. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
What if I'm not ready? What if I'm still thinking about the cake?
Just a minute, please. Or, "I need a moment, please."
Just a minute, please. That is very useful. It stops the stress.
But if you are ready, you say, "Yes, I am."
Okay, I am hungry, so I say, yes, I'm ready. Now, how do I order? Do I say, I want the hamburger?
"I want" is okay, but it's a bit strong. A more natural way is "I would like."
I would like. It sounds more elegant.
Yes, or you can say "I'll have."
I'll have. Like, I will have?
Exactly. Let's practice both. Say it with me. "I would like the hamburger, please."
I would like the hamburger, please.
"I'll have the hamburger, please."
I'll have the hamburger, please.
"I would like."
I would.
"I'll have."
I'll have.
Perfect. It sounds very natural.
Let's practice. You are the waiter, Chloe.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Perfect. And would you like anything to drink?
Same structure. I'll have a soda, please.
You're a pro, Max. One soup, one hamburger, and one soda.
Wow, that was easy. My English muscle is working perfectly in this restaurant.
It really is. Simple phrases are your best friends.
But Chloe, what happens when the food arrives and how do I pay?
That is a great topic for the second part of our episode.
I can't wait. I need to know how to get my chocolate cake.
We will talk about that in a moment. Don't go away.
Okay, I'm still at my table. I ordered my food and I am waiting. I can hear the plates in the kitchen.
This is the best moment, Max. The waiter arrives at your table with a big, hot plate.
Finally, my hamburger is here.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. That sounds like a song to my ears. What do I say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Now imagine I am eating. Everything is great, but suddenly I realize I have no water. My glass is empty. What do I do?
This happens all the time. First, try to make eye contact with the waiter. When they are near, you say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, to get their attention, right?
Exactly. Then you use our favorite puzzle. Can I have?
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more bread, please?
Can I have some more bread, please?
Can I have another soda, please?
Can I have another soda, please?
Excellent! You've got it. It's all very simple and polite.
During the meal, sometimes the waiter comes back and asks, "Is everything okay?"
Yes, it's delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. That's a great word for my hamburger.
It really is. It means very, very good.
Okay, Chloe, my plate is empty. The hamburger is gone. I am full, but I remember something.
The chocolate cake?
Yes, how could I forget? The waiter takes my empty plate and asks, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And you say,
Yes, please.
so you look at the menu, you see the cake, and you say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
And after the cake, I am really, really full. Now comes the serious part. I need to pay.
The money part. We call it the bill or the check.
The bill in the UK and the check in the US?
Exactly, but everyone understands both. You catch the waiter's attention again. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please? Let's say that again, Max. It's important. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. What if you don't have cash? What if I only have my card?
You can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Do you take credit cards? Good tip. And when I give the card to the waiter, what do I say?
Here you are.
Here you are. I like that. It sounds like a real pro.
Then the waiter brings your receipt and you are ready to go. As you leave, smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye. It shows I liked the food and the service.
Let's do a very fast review, Max. A full role play from start to finish. I am the waiter and you are the hungry customer. I love role play. Let's do it.
Hello. Welcome to Easy Bites Bistro.
Hello. A table for one, please?
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table, and here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I have a moment, please?
Certainly. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start and the hamburger for my main course.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Excuse me, Chloe?
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. But can I have the dessert menu, please?
Of course. Here is your chocolate cake.
Amazing. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, here you are. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Wow, Chloe, that was the whole thing. It seems so simple now.
It's simple, Max. The phrases are short. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And always, please and thank you. Politeness is key. It makes everyone feel good.
Exactly. My advice for everyone listening, don't choose a dish with a long, difficult name at first.
Right. If you are nervous, just order a cheese pizza or fish and chips. Keep it simple.
And remember, a smile is understood in every language. A smile and the word please will work every time.
That is my new strategy. I feel much more confident now. I can go to any restaurant in London. Wait, Chloe, before we go, thank you everyone for spending this time with us.
Yes, we are so happy you are here trying to grow and learn. You are doing great, so don't stop.
But we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Yes, let us know. Is it pizza, pasta, or a giant hamburger like Max? We love reading your stories.
Also, if you liked this episode, please hit the like button one more time. It gives us the energy to make more for you.
And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, join our Easy Bites family today. We are so proud of your progress.
You are training your English muscle and your restaurant muscle too.
Exactly. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. You deserve it.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.